Dear students, in last module we already studied about the division algorithm. In division algorithm it was px equals to qx quotient multiplied by gx plus remainder rx. It was due to the division algorithm. Now we have another topic. Suppose if px is completely divisible by gx. It means if gx is a factor of px, then what should be added and what should be subtracted? What should be added and what should be subtracted from the polynomial to make that completely divisible. So here for this condition you can see there it is remainder rx. Suppose if you are going to add something in this remainder in such a way that it should be completely divisible, then it should be negative of the remainder. If you are going to like this, px equals to qx multiplied by gx and plus it was rx. Suppose I am writing there negative of rx. It means I am going to add negative of this, like this way, negative of this. So it will be plus minus minus. So rx cancel by rx, it will be only px equals to qx plus into gx plus 0. Now if remainder equals to 0, it means it is completely divisible. It was if we are going to add, whenever we are going to add something, so it should be negative of the remainder. Whenever we are going to add something to make it completely divisible, then it should be negative of the remainder. But whenever we are going to subtract, it should be, for subtract you can see it is rx remainder, and now we have to subtract, so negative of rx, it means same remainder. If you subtract the same remainder from the polynomial, you will get completely divisible and it will be px equals to qx multiplied by gx. Again the remainder it will become 0. So here you can see remainder part, that is 0. So now this polynomial is completely divisible by gx. So please remember, whenever you have to add, it is given ki what should be added in the polynomial to make it completely divisible. So it should be negative of the remainder. Whenever we have to subtract something from the remainder from the polynomial, it should be remainder. We have to subtract only the remainder. Now we are taking an example for this. Dear students, one example is there. It is given ki what should be subtracted from the polynomial x ki power 4 plus 2x cube minus 4x square plus 6x minus 3, so that it is exactly divisible by x square minus x plus 1. So here you can see it is given ki what should be subtracted from this polynomial. In such a way it should be divisible by this. So it is px, it is gx. So now according to long division method, it will be x square minus x plus 1. And here it is x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 4x square plus 6x minus 3. Now you can see it is x square, it is x to the power 4. So multiply by x to the power 2. Now x to the power 2 multiply by x to the power 2, it will be x to the power 4. X to the power 2 multiply by x minus x to the power 3. And x to the power 2 multiply by 1 plus x to the power 2. Now it will be subtract, so minus plus minus. This term cancel by this term. It is 2x cube plus x cube means 3x cube. Minus 4x square minus x square minus ke 5x square. And plus 6x minus 3. Same thing. Now again it is x square, it is x cube. So here plus 3, it is only 1. So multiply by plus 3x. Again plus 3x into x square, 3x cube. 3x multiply by x minus 3x square, 3x multiply by 1 plus 3x. Again subtract, so minus plus minus. This term cancel by this term. It is minus 5x cube x square plus 3x square minus 2x square. Plus 6 minus 3 means plus 3x. Now again you can see it is minus 2x square. It is only x square. So multiply by minus 2. So it will be minus 2x square. Minus 2 multiply by minus x. So minus minus plus 2x. And here 2 1 ja 2, minus 2. It is minus 3. So now again plus minus plus, this term cancelled by this term, 3x minus 2x means only x, and minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, so x minus 1, it is remainder. Now we can write hence px equals to gx into qx plus rx, remainder. So here px means, you can see there px it was there, gx x square minus x plus 1, qx x square plus 3x minus 2, and rx. Now it is given what should be subtracted. What should be subtracted? As I already told you ki if it is given ki what should be subtracted, it will be the same as the remainder. Same as the remainder, because if remainder is x minus 1 and you are going to subtract the same thing, it will 0. So here I can write hence x minus 1 should be subtract from px to make it completely divisible by gx. So that is the answer. But suppose if in the same problem it was given ki what should be added, so here we can write ki remainder rx equals to x minus 1, it is remainder, and now it is given what should be added, so I can write ki hence negative of x minus 1 should be added in polynomial for make it completely divisible. So please remember one thing, whenever it is given ki what should be added, so it will be negative of remainder. Whenever it is ki what should be subtracted, it will be same as remainder. So this thing should be learned ki what should be added means negative of remainder, what should be subtracted means positive of remainder, it should be subtracted, and that is the most important part of this chapter. Now one more example, it is given find the values of a and b so that x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x plus 8 x square plus ax plus b is divisible by x square plus 1. Now again you can see it is given ki this polynomial is completely divided by this polynomial, divisible by this polynomial. Then we have to find the value of a and b. So now according to long division method, it is x square plus 1, and here x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus 8x square plus ax plus b. Now you can see it is x square, it is x to the power 4, so multiply by x to the power 2, it will be x to the power 4 plus, here you can see x square multiply by 1, so it will be x square, so we have to write that below x square, it will be x square. Now negative, this is also negative, so this x to the power 4 cancelled by x to the power 4, it will be x to the power 3, 8x square minus x square means plus 7x square, and plus ax plus b, it will be the same. Now again it is x cube, it is x square, so multiply plus x multiply by x square, it will be x cube, x multiply by 1 plus x. Now again we have to subtract. Dear students, please remember one thing, if it is x, then we have to write below the x, not below x square. So it is minus x, this is also minus x cube cancelled by minus x cube plus x cube, again it will be 7x square ax, and it is minus x, so taking x as a common part, I can write x as a common part, it will be a minus 1 plus b. Now again you can see it is x square, it is 7, so plus 7, it will 7x square, and 7 1 ja 7 plus 7, so it should be there only, or I can write there 7. So now again this is minus, so this term cancelled by this term. Now it will be x into a minus 1 plus b plus 7, sorry b minus 7, it is there, b minus 7. Now quotient qx equals to x square plus x plus 7, and remainder Rx equals to x into a minus 1 plus b in minus 7. But it is given कि it is divisible by x square plus 1. If it is divisible by this, it means remainder should be 0. If any polynomial is completely divisible, then the remainder should be 0. It means Rx equals to 0, but Rx, it is given Rx a minus 1 plus b minus 7 equals to 0. 0 means I can write 0 into x plus 0. Now on comparing, you can see there it is coefficient of x, it is a minus 1, and coefficient of x, it is 0. So a minus 1 equals to 0, it means a equals to 1. And similarly, b minus 7 equals to 0, b minus 7 equals to 0, and b equals to 7. So here we can write hence a equals to 1 and b equals to 7. That is the answer. Hence polynomial, hence px equals to, it will be x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus 8x square plus ax. Ax means only 1. So it will be x, and plus b. B means 7. So it will be the polynomial. Now dear students, it is given fx equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10. It means quadratic you can see there it is cubic polynomial. We have to find all the zeros of this polynomial. The roots of this polynomial will be found by using hit and trial method. At least one root. So it will be, suppose f1. I am going to put f1 equals to, it will be 1 to the cube minus 6 into 1 to the square plus 3 into 1 plus 10. So here you can see 10, 3, 13, 1, 14 minus 6 not equals to 0. It means f x equals to 1 is not a solution. So now f minus 1. Here it will be minus 1 to the cube plus 6 into minus 1 to the square plus 3 into minus 1 and plus 10. You can see there minus 3 and it is minus 6, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9, and minus 1 minus 10 plus 10 equals to 0. Hence it means x equals to minus 1 is a solution of fx. Hence x plus 1, it means x minus 1 is a solution. So x plus 1 is a factor of fx. So here we got one factor x plus 1. Now by using this factor, only using this factor, we have to find other two factors. Now this polynomial is divided by this polynomial. So here you can see it is x cube. So multiply by x square. It will be x to the power 3 plus x square. So now according to division method, minus minus. This term cancel by this term, minus 7x square plus 3x. Now again it is plus x, it is minus 7x x square. So multiply by minus 7x. It will minus 7x square minus 7x multiply by 1. It will be plus 7x. Here plus 7x. Now again this is plus minus. This term cancel by this term. So plus 3x minus 7x means minus 4x and plus. So the students, you can see it is minus 7x. So minus 7x plus 1, it will be minus 7x. So minus minus plus. So 7 plus 3, it will be 10 plus 10x and plus 10. Now again it is x, it is 10x. So multiply plus 10. It will be 10x plus 10, and now again minus minus. So 10x cancel by this, 10 cancel by this. So here it will be 0. Hence remainder equals to 0. So I can write x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10 equals to x plus 1 into this. So now x square minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. So here factors of 10 such that their sum is 7. It is 5 to the 10. So x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10 equals to 0. Now here you can see x as a common part, it will be x minus 5. Minus 2 as a common part, x minus 5 equals to 0. So here it will be x minus 5 into x minus 2 equals to 0. Hence x equals to 5 and x equals to 2. So here I can write hence roots of polynomial equals to minus 1, 2 and 5. These are three roots. Now if I have to verify Now verification के according, let alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to, you can see there, alpha it is -1 plus 2 plus 5. So 5 plus 2, 7 minus 1, 6. According from polynomial at the same time, from polynomial it will be alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b upon a. Here you can see minus b. In this polynomial it is minus b, minus 6x square upon 1. So it will be minus minus, so minus 6 upon 1, minus minus plus 6. It is also 6, it is also 6. So hence verified. Similarly you can prove sum of the roots and product of the roots.